Good morning, everybody. We happen to have one of our little 347s on the dyno here. This is a little baby one. We've got Nettlebrock carb on there. We got some nice 347 cubic inch stroker valve covers. Customer wanted painted blue. Thing just ran fantastic. Made about 430 horsepower and about 450 foot-pounds of torque. Customer's going to love it. It's going to a 65 Mustang. Anything can help you with, give us a call. 1-800-267-3940. Peace. How's that for firing up? You got a beautiful little motor here. Fabulous.